Good morning, guys. So we're here on another event. We're actually here already, just parked waiting.
Yeah.
We're here
They're still
at
closed.
they're still closed. We're here at the SALEEN Auto Show.
Car meet,
Car
auto
meet
show,
slash
open house.
open house. So yeah, we're just chilling right here until they
Start opening the gates.
yeah, they have some cool cars here already. Wait, what's
and this is another competition too.
Yeah, it's another competition. So this will be our fourth competition now.
Still in the line. We're like over there. So I'm just gonna go forward and just film a little bit. We are almost in the tent or the registration point, and look at all of these nice cars here. Almost there.
Yep.
A few more cars to go.
Yep.
Alright, going in.
We're going
Just
in.
looking for parking or
Here's
like our
parking
space.
spot right here.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. The cool thing about this place is we have our own parking right there. V1, guys, V1.
Yeah.
This is the truck segments. So that's cool.
Oh,
They have a jumper, the jumpers.
Yeah.
So we're in the SALEEN headquarters. So we're just walking around. Wow, this is nice, the SALEEN. And I was right behind us too. And here's all their SALEEN trucks. Oh man, is this theirs? Yeah, this is theirs, right? Can we just get this, please? Can we get the SALEEN? I want a SALEEN. Wow. Just wow. Also, there's Sparko. Oh my gosh. I've never seen a SALEEN, this kind of car on any meetups. Wow, this is big. Oh my gosh. This is so big. So we're just walking in the entrance of SALEEN. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh my, this is nice. Crap. It's like a Porsche in the back. Mid-engine too. This is our free bag right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it come with?
So it comes with our ballot. That
Our
we
ballot?
need to
Okay.
turn in later.
Cool.
Comes with
Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Sweet.
Comes with the itinerary today.
Oh, cool.
Comes with
Oh, it's like a
booklet.
like a booklet brochure. Okay.
Comes with some stickers.
Bayer?
Bear.
Okay.
Comes with
Oh, a cleaning.
some cleaning.
Oh, by Mothers.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
And then comes with another cleaning things for your phone.
Oh, wow. Oh, I need that.
Comes with
A cow.
a cow.
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. And then candies, lanyards,
And more stickers.
stickers, badge,
Oh, cool.
stickers.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just walking around now. There's the SALEEN truck at the back. So I guess this is where they assemble it. This is what we need in the house, a lift. Yeah.
They have the stages.
Yeah, they have all the stages here. That's so cool. I guess that's where they do the alignment and others. Oh, cool. So this is a cool treat. We get to see how their builds are.
Yeah.
If you want a SALEEN built. We already voted for ourselves. And now we're just going through all this class and walk around so we can vote. Yeah. So these are the trucks, and they have their own label. So if you get the white label, 400 horsepower, yellow label, 725, black label, 775 horsepower. Wow, 86,000 though. Here, so this is all the label cars right here. Right now, we're just walking around and vote. We gotta vote. It shows on the floor. So here, these are the X's. All right, so this is where we vote X. So the X would be, where would the X be? Oh, right there. All year Chevy Camaro. All right, let's see which is the best one. For the X category, it's from X4, X3, X2, and X1. So these are the ones that we're gonna vote for. So who would you guys vote for? So let's see now, The classic is nice too. It's two classics. I don't know. So these are the W's right here. Oh, it's just two? It's just two. Oh, yeah, it's just these two. So guys, who would you guys vote for? This is a toughie. We just finished voting for the W's. This is a fun auto show. This is the first time we get to vote like this. All right, so now we're in the A's. Oh wow, this guy has his own gauge right there, or his own plaque. Crap. All right, so let's vote. So it goes from so the A's are considered 1964 to 1973 Mustangs. So A1 all the way down there. All right. This is a tough vote right here. Oh my gosh, we don't know which one to get. This one's nice too, because look at the engine bay on this. Oh my. Roosh and Edelbrock too. Wow. So, and then the three there is so nice too. This is now the all years Corvette right there, and we already casted our votes. All right, so we voted, and then now off to the next one. All right, so what category are we in now? EX1, EX.
Exotic?
Yeah, oh, we're in the exotic category. Oh, all right. This is EX number 3, a Ford GT. Hi.
Hi.
Wow, this is nice. Nice car.
Oh, thank you.
And here's all the Cobras right here. Oh, what number are they in? Oh wow, carbon fiber package too. SH. The SH is all year Shelby GT350 and GT500.
Yep.
So this is a tough one. We saw some of them in Laguna Hills. Wow, GT500. Oh man. Even has the carbon fiber rear too. Wow. So this is a GT350 with a carbon fiber interior with a 4-point harness. Yeah, it looks like, or five with a roll bar cage. We're now in the Class C already. The Class C is the 1979-93 Mustang. These are all the Class C's right here. And now we just gotta vote. So we're now in Class I, which is a 2010-2014 Mustang. And this is in the Class I category. Wow, look at this artwork on this. Damn, carbon fiber engine cover bay. Even has an airlift. Oh, cool. Samurai sword. With Corbeau racing seats. So we're now in the M category. The 9304 SVT Mustang Cobra. And here's the first contender right here. Here's the other one. This too. Oh, crap. Oh, because the engine. Oh, shoot. Now in the S8 category, 99-04 SALEEN Coupe. And here's one of the contenders right here. We're now in S7 9904 convertible. So let's check. These are the contenders in the S7. So we're here now to
S2?
S2. Oh, the very first one.
Yeah.
The 1987 93 SALEEN Mustang hatch and convertible. So these are the contenders over here. Okay, let's vote.
11 here.
Oh, okay. So S11. Wow.
Photographs.
Here's the SALEEN. We're now in S12, 05, 09 SALEEN PJ and Gurney. So we're now in S17, the 2015 and present SALEEN 302 Mustangs. Guys, we just finished casting in our votes. Yeah, so
there's a lot of category.
yeah, there's a ton of category. So we're now just walking back to our place and just chill. Because there's a long line right now at the food place. We're back in our parking categories. Here's the trophies. Oh wow, that's so nice.
40 years in business of doing
Wow.
this. Pedro Sanchez with the 90 SALEEN. Pedro. Two is David Abrahamian. I screwed that name up a little bit. Is that it? Abrahamian with an 89 SALEEN SSC. Congrats with a 87 SALEEN.
We finally won! Second place!
Second place.
Yay! Finally! Woo! So, I was
From SALEEN.
you know what? It caught me off guard because I didn't even know there was our category when they called us.
And all of a sudden they called my name. I'm like, oh.
I'm like, what? Cool. This is the line now. If you want Mr. SALEEN to sign your SALEEN car. The only problem is we don't have a SALEEN.
I know.
We moved the Bronco and we got second place. I honestly thought we weren't gonna win because we're RTR. So wow, that's awesome.
So we are heading out.
Wow, this has been like the best
It was
event.
the best
Oh my
event.
god.
It took us like over 2 hours just to go in.
Yeah, because there was
But
thousands of cars.
I
and
know.
we got second.
We got second place.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
So we're heading out.
We are heading out.
We got ourselves some tacos from their vendors here. Street tacos. This is so good. And the cool part is we're seated right here. SALEEN's in the making. Just finished going to the ice cream truck.
Yeah.
And this is what he got. I got the snowstorm. I've never had this before. And then she got the, what's that, Big Dipper from Blue Bunny.
Yep.
All right, let's do this. Maybe I should just have them sign it.
Yeah.